Great, yeah, and we have local impacts already across South Florida today. We've been talking about the severe thunderstorm that has been, issued for southern Miami-Dade County, and it is ongoing here. This is a fast-moving storm, and we have to watch this closely. Now you can hear the thunder there in Homestead. This is going to continue to book to the north and east. It's moving at about 25 miles an hour. It is a severe thunderstorm, which means it has the possibility of producing wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour, damaging wind gusts, right? This is the first one so far across our metro here, and this is going to go through the 5 o'clock hour. This is the track as far as the movement to the north and east. So if you're watching us from places like Kendall and Sweetwater, it'll be there within the next half hour or so. If it holds together, it may lose its severity here, but we're still looking at some pretty good downpours and frequent lightning as a result of that. It has been pouring along the Keys. We continue because of the outer feeder bands of what, of course, is Hurricane Idalia at the last update here, 90-mile-an-hour hurricane, 38-mile-an-hour wind gusts there in Key West. And this is just an update from Marathon. Look what happens when these bands come through. 15 sustained, but then all of a sudden the rain comes in, the squall comes through, and you get 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Same for Homestead, although there, as I mentioned, that is an additional threat. That is a severe thunderstorm warning capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour, all with the feeder bands, right? This is what's going to call the shots. This is what's going to drive our weather through tonight. You see a nice break, though, in between, so it's not like we're going to get band after band after band. We do get a break, but then when the bands roll through, we do get those very gusty winds and some tropical downpours. As I widen out the shot, this is Idalia, a strengthening hurricane. It looks healthier to me than it has so far. In fact, it's the strongest it's been as the pressure continues to drop and the winds will go up as well. 90-mile-an-hour sustained winds right now, expecting that to become a 105-mile-an-hour windstorm, and then eventually 125 as we head into the Big Bend of Florida. That is a landfall of a major hurricane tonight in the Big Bend, I should say early tomorrow morning between the hours of 6 a.m. and at 9 a.m. So we'll watch that closely for you. There is a close-up shot of the cone as it approaches the Big Bend for early tomorrow morning with those very strong winds. And of course, on the eastern side of the storm, that's when we're expecting some significant storm surge there as all these bands will continue to roll through. So that's